Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings using the faster encoding preset. Oh gosh. That's worrying. I'm not hardly doing anything.
I just got the notification.
That Togs is streaming. Oh yeah, would you be able to read the chat if anyone actually says anything?
Yeah.
Okay, what is using all of my CPU? I hope there's not like a freaking antivirus running. Discord, OBS, Firefox. Okay. Okay. Not Hentai Haven, is it? No. I'm gonna leave that there.
Are you gonna say anything
Sorry?
while you're taking the test?
Sorry?
Are you gonna say anything? Are you going to say anything while you're taking the
I'm
test?
gonna sing. Maybe. Why does my computer
Okay.
suck so much? It's so bad. Okay. I can't believe I can't just stream audio and... Oh, I don't even have audio on here. Should be okay, right? What would I do to make it better? Whatever. Audio input capture. Mic and aux. Audio output capture. Desktop audio. Can you say something real quick?
Hello.
Okay, I gotta turn you up. I've turned you all the way up already. I'll just
Do you want me to talk louder?
turn myself down. That's all good. Speak how you would normally.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you're really quiet.
I'm sorry, I don't have a naturally booming voice. I'm not like Lewin.
No, it's just the audio hardware. It's okay.
Okay.
Alright, y'all ready for this? Dun, 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 dun.
Yep.
Yo, welcome to Togs Gaming. Today we're gonna be doing something really special and cool. We're gonna be doing a maths fucking exam. Speedrunning any percent, no skips. This is gonna be the first time I go through this exam, so yep. Today I've got a special friend with me, Sarah.
Hello.
She's gonna be reading out the chat. It's just gonna be completely empty because this stream's gonna suck. Hope you enjoy it. Maths is really exciting. Yes.
For sure.
Oh, I should probably stop streaming on Discord. Maybe that'll free up some. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Easy squeezy. Let's get started. Oh, there's a camera in my face.
You can work through the camera.
Oh, there's no multiple choice? Damn. Okay. e to the 3x dx. I might just like explain everything that I'm doing and be really annoying.
No, that works.
U equals, what should U be? What should U be? U be? Yubio kudasai. You know what? You can be, you can be e to, no, you can be x. U prime can be 1. B prime can be, e to the 3x, and so v can be, shit. This is something I should know. Integral of e to the x. 1/3. Yeah, it's gotta be 1/3 e to the 3x, right? Okay.
Totally.
Anyway, it's 1/3 e to the 3x x minus the integral of 1/3 e to the 3x times, well, 1, because that's u prime is 1, plus c. So that's, the integral of this is 1/12 e to the 3x. Wait, no, that'd be 1/12. Fuck, 1/9. Plus c. 1/3 e to the 3x minus a ninth, which is 2/9 e to the 3x plus c. Okay, that's that done, because if I spend too much time on that, that'll be really terrible. This is a speedrun, obviously.
You're doing great.
Glad to hear that. The heck do I do here? What? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I should announce on the Discord server that I'm actually doing this.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, can you post the link and like just in announcements?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and you know what I should do? I should put up a timer. Well,
I don't think I have access to announcements,
okay.
but I'll try. It's extension 2, right?
Yeah. I don't want to do Discord. I don't want. What? Where is the stopwatch? Okay, well, whatever. Oh my god, the thumbnail is so weird. Alright, let's keep going. I'm on
It's creative.
1 minute 20.
Okay.
Oh my god, what the hell do I do here? Those cubes. Because this is equal to pi on 4 and x times 1 on cos squared x dx. Which, funnily enough, um, this is equal to sec squared x.
Right.
And not knowing whether you can see, yeah, that's good. Because one is the derivative of the other, what you can say is is there like an integral for tan? Or an integral for x? Oh, that makes sense. There's an integral for sex.
Skater Boy Julian says, looks easy.
Yeah, it's really easy, which is why I've been on this same question for the past 2
Yep.
minutes. It probably is easy, I just have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah. Thanks for the encouragement, Julian. It's
Thank you,
very much
Julian.
appreciated.
Love you. Come and give me a kiss, man. Okay, well, based on this this thing, I'm just gonna say it's 1/2 n squared x from 0 to pi on 4. That kind of makes sense, which is equal to 1/2, and that's tan pi on 4 is just 1, minus 1/2 times tan 0 is just 0, so really it's just a half, hopefully. Completing a square.
That made tons of sense.
Yeah. You know, by the end of this
Yes.
era, you're gonna fully know the whole extension calculus course.
I know. I really will.
You're gonna
Oh,
be.
Julian just gave you a kiss.
Ah, thank you, Julian. We love you. Um, something we can do here is it kind of aids 5 minus x squared minus 4x. Then we can complete the square plus 4 or plus 4 out there. Do this because that's kind of stupid. So that's like a minus 4, so you plus 4 out here because you subtracted 4 when you completed the square. So this way we know that it is 5, no, 9 minus x minus 2 squared. What you do from here is you substitute u for x minus 2. That way you can say uh, uh, you just say that dx is just equal to du because it's whatever. Wait, does this have limits? No, it's just that this is an indefinite integral, and this is the meme that I posted. Like, you fake femboys forget to add plus c to indefinite integrals.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so if you don't, this is what this thing is. That's the indefinite integral. Because you don't know the limit, so you have to add like a constant.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, this is great. This
So
is great.
this is 1/. I mean, yeah, this is 1/√9 minus u squared, and this is a difference of two squares. But also, that means that you can turn it into a sine or an arc sine. So this integral is equal to arc sine of u over the square root of this number, 3. Let's see. That's it.
So easy.
Yeah,
Well,
maybe Julian was right. Find real numbers a
yeah.
and b such that this. Okay. This is the thing that I asked your dad about because um, there, in one of my homeworks, um, the solution to a question just had this entire process put into one step.
Yeah.
It's like, what just happened here?
Yeah, I remember that.
Okay, so fuck. Right, this would be x squared minus what 7x plus 4 equals a x minus 1 squared uh, plus b x plus 1 x minus 1 minus x plus 1. Julian, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you watching this?
He just said, I'm always right. Which, of course, he's not wrong about, so.
It's true, he gets 100% in every exam. No, he's actually really good at maths. We just gotta substitute in x for something that'll give us a 0 in one of these cases. So let's say x is equal to 1. That means that 1 squared minus 7 plus 4 equals plus 1 minus 1 is 0. B times 2 times, well, that's 1 minus 1, so that's just fucking off. That's minus 2. So wait, what the fuck have I just done?
By the way, Shoe Phone just said, imagine doing extension 2 maths. Can't relate.
Okay, negative 6 plus 4 equals negative 2. I've just proved something really important here.
What's that?
That negative 2 equals negative 2. Ah!
Genius.
Oh my gosh. Well, um... okay, that doesn't work. Let's do x equals negative 1.
Okay.
So that's negative 1 minus 1. That's, oh, squared. So that's 2a plus negative 1 plus 1, that's just going to be 0. And negative 1 plus 1, that's going to be 0. So there we go. 2a is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 4, which is 8 plus 4, which is 12. So a equals 6. Now, we know that I have no idea what I'm doing. So, uh, how the heck?
What?
I'm just was confused and also looking at the chat at the same time. Good luck, Maz.
You're supposed to be doing maths.
Ah!
Focus.
Okay, focus. Laser focus. Pew! I don't know what to do! Whatever, let's just do x plus x equals 2. 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 4 equals 2 minus 1, that's 1. A. 2 plus 1, that's 3. 2 minus 1, that's 1. 3 times 1, that's 3b. Plus, minus 3. Oh, fuck yeah. Greatest programmer in the world. 4 minus 14 plus 4. That's a lot of 4s. Let's put 3 on this side. A plus 3b, which means that b equals 3 plus 4. That's it's not 12.
7.
7. 7 minus 14. Oh my god, 10 minus 14. That's negative 4. Negative. Oh wait, no, negative 7. Negative 7 plus 4. That's 3. Negative 3. Negative 3 minus a. So b is equal to and a is 6. That's b is negative 9. Okay, have fun speedrunning
That was a good
extension
run.
paper.
I love how you're still simultaneously reading the chat.
Okay, a equals 6, b equals negative 9. Okay, now find this thing. Okay. A is 6, b is negative 9. Now,
Maz just said, bruh.
x squared minus 7x plus 4 over x plus 1, x minus 1 squared dx. I don't even have to write that because I'm not even going to use that equation. Is equal to the integral of 6 over x plus 1 plus negative 9, which is minus 9. Oh, is it negative 7? Did I do it wrong? Did I get it wrong? Wait. Okay. 3. Okay. 3 plus 4 is 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7.
4 is 7.
Minus 14 plus 4, so that's 7 minus 10 equals a plus 3b. So b equals 7 minus 10 is negative 3 minus a.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't, well, I can't do any skips or cheats because that would defeat the purpose of doing a maths test, so I don't know if I can do speedrun tactics. Okay, enjoy a fanfic, write like a BL light novel. That would be cute.
Yeah, have fun.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, thank
he
God.
did it right.
Wait, what?
Dang, no. Wait.
Okay, you said 4 and then I was like, oh, no, it's negative 7. Okay, let's keep going. Negative 9, x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 squared. Dx. That's simply magic. That's simply magical. Now we can just integrate these terms. Uh, 1/6 ln x plus 1, I think. Yeah. Plus, I guess negative a ninth ln x minus 2. And then, this is, oh, is that a thing? X minus 1 squared. Right, this. Oh. Oh, okay, I can just treat this as like a negative whatever. X minus 2, that should be 3. Oops. Need to put more duct tape on my camera. No, cut. Okay, let's do this properly. Negative 1 on x minus 1 squared equals negative x minus 1 to the negative 2. And the integral of that is, it is 1 over negative 1 negative x minus 1 to negative 1 plus c. Okay, that means that this integral is 1/6 ln x plus 1 minus a ninth ln x minus 2 plus 1 on x minus 1 and plus c. Right?
We're about 20 minutes in.
Oh,
Doing great.
okay, cool, because I'm still on question 1. Use substitution. X equals this part e. X equals 2 sine theta to find the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared over the square root of 4 minus x squared. What? What? Why? Can't I just do like integration by parts and then? But I have to use this Okay, I'll do it. Say this integral. Oh wait, I have to change the limits. When x equals 0, 2 sine theta. Theta. Wait. Sine theta equals x on 2. So theta is equal to arcsine of x on 2. Which means that when x equals 0, oh my god, excuse me. Theta should be x equals 0, theta equals 0, and x equals 1. Arcsine of a half. Arcsine of a half is that's 3, that's 2, that's 1. Ion 6. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 30 degrees. Sorry. I completely lost consciousness for a couple seconds. The integrand is 0 to pi 6. 2 sine 4 sine squared theta over 4 minus sine 4 sine squared theta. Why would I do this? How does this make this easier? I don't understand.
I don't know. I'm not the one that knows extension 2 level maths
Well,
yet.
I'm not either, apparently. Why would you do this? I... Okay, I'm just gonna do integration by parts, and then maybe I'll get 1 mark for it. U equals lose marks by doing substitution. No. I'm just confused by this question. Usually substitution, like, it makes sense. Like, when I did substitution for, which question was it? This question, where I could turn it into an arc sign on the bottom. Like, it just made it easier, but yeah. Oh wait, oh fuck, I forgot to finish this question. Arc sign, x minus 2 over 3 plus c. There we go. Thanks for reminding me.
Nice. That was about 24 minutes. Good job.
Oh my god.
Just
Oh, I'm about to get to question 2. Come on! Why? Should I just do integration by parts here? Let's say, what do I want to integrate? This one looks easy to integrate. 4 sine squared theta. The integral of that should be, maths is not pain fun.
It depends.
Man, maybe I don't want to integrate 4 sine squared theta. How many marks is this question? Oops. This question is for 4 marks! No! How many marks is this test? 120. Yeah, I have 3
You have
hours.
3 hours, right?
Yeah. So I have, yeah, 2.5 hours left
How many questions?
to do all of this. How many questions are there? 5 apparently. Oh no,
Yeah.
6. Oh,
Okay.
7. 8.
No.
Yeah, there are
Okay,
8
go, go,
questions.
go. Man,
Holy
that's
crap.
rough.
This looks kind of hard. Also, a lot of the stuff in this paper is probably stuff that I haven't done, like circular geometry, because they took some stuff out of the syllabus. I don't think this is one of them, and I have no idea how to do this question. Don't understand.
Wow.
Okay. Let's say u equals 4 minus x squared to the power of negative a half, and v prime is equal to x squared, so v equals 1/3 x cubed, and u prime is equal to Uh, negative 1/2 times negative 2x 4 minus x squared negative 3 on 2. That's gross. Let's rewrite that. X times 4 minus x squared to negative 3 on 2. So that is, holy balls, 1/3 x cubed 4 minus x squared to the negative 1/2. I probably shouldn't be doing this. This is probably the wrong thing to be doing. X 4 minus x squared minus 3 on 2. Okay, I just made the integration harder.
You have to keep going.
What is this? X to the 4 over 4 minus x squared, but the square root of that cubed. Why? Okay, I'll leave that. Let's just integrate. Okay, 4 sine squared theta. The integral of that should be uh wait. I can take that 4 out. That doesn't have to be here.
Okay.
It can be over there.
Okay.
Okay, I need to get a little bit more duct tape, don't I? That should do the trick.
Perfect.
It's out of focus. Ah, that's a lot better. Actually, I think I should make my screen camera view a little bigger.
I don't know if it's just my internet, but what you're doing basically cuts out every like 2 minutes straight.
Yeah, my computer will probably do that because my computer sucks.
Just freeze. Yeah.
Yeah, like right now like it's saying encoding overloaded, but it's not doing anything very difficult, so I don't know what it's overloading by. I mean, I should close Spotify.
Yeah.
Consider turning down video settings. Okay. Oh, this is a really slow speedrun. Output. Can I lower the bitrate? Are they gonna make it faster? Let's make CPU usage ultra fast. Just use 100% of my CPU just to encode this. Alright.
I think we're about 30 minutes in.
That sounds good.
Doing great.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing my best.
Yes. And
Which is a bit sad.
that's what matters.
Okay, sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2x over 2. So I can integrate that. That is 1/2 times theta minus, wait, integrate, the integral of, negative sine, half, sine 2x, oh, that should be theta, so that should be theta. Oh gosh. And this is 4 minus 4 sine squared theta to the power of negative a half. Yeah, maybe I should. I could. I could be using my desktop machine, and that would be able to handle the stream quite well. But um, Windows broke on it because I don't know. Windows just likes to corrupt itself, and
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Maybe I
This
should get.
works.
Maybe I should get like a MacBook Air or something because I actually like that machine.
Really?
Yeah.
Focus.
You focus. Okay, surely there's an easier way to do that. I'm just gonna skip this question. It sucks. Yeah, one question two.
Yay.
Let z equal 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2i. W equals 3 minus I. ZW is this is 3 minus I plus 6i plus 2 is 5 plus 5i. And the conjugate of 10 over z. Okay, let's just figure out 10 over z first. Multiplying it by the conjugate of the thing so I can get the thing on the top. It's 10 minus 20i over, and then multiplying two complex numbers by their conjugates is just the like a squared plus b squared. So this is 1 plus 4, which is kind of cute because yeah, you can get 2 minus 4i because that's like 5 and that's 10. It's 20. 20. I mean, 4 times 5 is 20, right? I think.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, and the conjugate of this thing is, let's just put a line on top of that, is 2 plus 4i. Let alpha equal 1 plus I root 3 and beta equal 1 plus I. Find alpha over beta in the form x plus iy. Okay, that's just 1 plus I root 3 over 1 plus I times 1 minus I over 1 minus I, which is 1 minus I plus I root 3 plus 3. And that's just 2. So that is 1 plus root 3. Yeah, that's 1 plus root 3 minus I plus I root 3. 2. That's a weird thing. I can probably factorize this, but... Hmm. 1 plus root 3 over 2 plus I root 3 minus I on 2. Or actually, I should probably write like that. Press alpha in modulus argument form. Alpha equals 1 plus root 3, 1, root 3. Now this is the standard triangle. That's root 3, that's 1, that's 2. So that's pi on 3 radians. So in Morag form, that is wait, fuck, what's Morag form? Crap.
I have no clue.
I can't cheat, but let's just say it's, wait, maybe the formula sheet can tell me. Oh, okay, it tells you Morag form is this. That's convenient. Alpha
Perfect.
equals 2 cosine pi on 3 plus I sine pi on 3. And that's it. So easy. Question 3.
Yeah.
Given that beta is the Morag form of that, find the Morag form of A over beta. I mean alpha over beta. 2 cis pi on 3 divided by root 2 cis pi on 4. Extension 2 is cute because it's like A plus BI, and it's like BI is fake, and like there's, you know, cis, etc. Anyway,
Oh.
BI is imaginary, pardon me.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's weird, and like the Chinese word for giving something is like gay.
Yeah.
This is 2 on root 2. This, I think you subtract the arguments. What's a third minus a quarter? A 12?
Third, 4. Yeah, 112.
Pi on 12. And 2 on root 2 is just root 2, I think. No. Wait, yes, it is. It's just root 2. Root 2 cis pi on 12.
Okay.
My camera keeps falling down.
I have to eat dinner, so if you hear weird sounds, it's because I'm chomping on lettuce.
Jumping on nuggets.
Lettuce!
Okay.
Not nuggets, lettuce.
Well, that's good. We want to get that ASMR thing going on in Togs. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Wait, what did I get up to? Did I finish question 3? Yeah. Sine pi on top. It even tells you that it's pi on 12. Okay, what's the exact value of sine pi on 12? How that? Okay, this is apparently just really easy. Oh, we figured out now forever better, didn't we? And we know that sine is the real part, so it has to be just be the real part of this Cartesian form. You know what? That it was easy in the end. The exact value of sine pi on 12 is 1 plus root 3 over 2. How about that?
Awesome.
How beautiful is mathematics?
That's great. Good job.
Sketch the region in the complex plane where the inequalities size of z plus the conjugate of z is less than or equal to 1.
Way.
Size.
That's the kind of stuff that I'm kind of starting to do right now. Only way more basic.
Minus 1 is less than or equal to 1. What? Okay, z plus the conjugate of z. Oh, well that's just the real part. Is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so that has to be everything is within a circle of radius 1. Wait, no. That would be the size of z, but it's actually within a region with a width of 1.
Yes. Yes.
And z minus I. The distance from this thing is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so it'd have to be like a... This is really terrible. Have to be a circle of radius 1, 1 above. Yeah, okay. Okay. Wait, no, wait. But then why would they have... Is that... Z minus I less than or equal to 1. Oh, well then that would have to be a real number. Z minus I. So is that... Have to be there.
That what?
But then that would have to be... Oh. You know what?
What?
This is odd. I'm gonna say it's this line between -1 and 1. But this part not being that's just it's this.
Okay.
Anyway, question 2D. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Using the fact that C lies in the circle, show that A over B equals 2 pi on 3. The fuck? Okay, well you know that the radius... You know the radius between all these and here is all the same. Does it say it's a unit circle? Oh, it's just R. Okay, that's R. These are all R. You know that these triangles are the same. That's the same thing. That's that. What we're looking for. I get C lies in the circle. Hence show that Z cubed equals W cubed. Oh, that's really strange.
This is so complicated.
No, I feel like this is one of those questions where it's like the answer is really simple, but I have no idea how to get there because it's only 2 marks.
Yeah.
And 3. How do you know? Is it a rhombus? Yeah, it's a rhombus. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Is it die? Oh, not only is it a rhombus, it's 2 equilateral triangles. Oh, you know about equilateral triangles, Sarah.
What?
They've got 60 degrees or pi on 3 radians on each of the angles. It's 2 of them,
Yes.
so it's 2 pi on 3. Yo!
Genius.
Dude. Oh, fuck yeah, man. That's 2 pi on 3. I'm actually crying right now. Using the fact. Okay. Hence show that Z cubed equals W cubed. Well, that would mean that. Wait, why would you be able to say that? Because that would have to be R cubed. R would have to be 1. Or basically, what would happen is, like say, what's Z? Z is A. Like say, Z would triple its angle from horizontal, so it would go like over here. W would triple its angle. Maybe if argument of because R is the same, so obviously R cubed is going to be the same. Argument of Z, the argument of W is equal to argument of Z plus 2 pi on 3. And if you put complex numbers, raise complex numbers to the power of something, you multiply their angle. So Z cubed is actually 3 times the argument. Oh, w cubed is actually 3 times the argument of w. That's that angle. You'd have to show that 3 times argument of z, but that would just be plus 2 pi and 3 still. What do I what do I do here? I'd have to. This is what I'm required to prove, I think. That 3 arg w equals 3 arg z plus 2 pi and 3.
Right.
But I. Wait, that would be arg z plus 2 pi on 3. Let's multiply this by 3. This way you get 3 arg z plus 2 pi. But if you do 3 arg arg
Arg.
Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna come back to this in a couple seconds. Let's go to question 3. Show that z squared plus w squared plus zw equals 0. Okay. Um. um.
Doing good.
Pardon me?
We're doing good. We're almost at an hour.
Oh gosh.
Keep going.
Holy moly. Alright. I don't think I'm a third of the way through. How many questions were there? 8? And I'm still on question 2.
Yeah.
Okay, well hopefully I get to skip a lot of questions. Because they aren't in my course, not because I can't do them.
Yeah.
No, I have no idea, and I'm just gonna mark this as come back.
Okay.
Sketch the curve. Oh, damn it. Let's look at this. X squared minus 9, showing all asymptotes. Okay. So x cannot be equal to 3. When x equals 0, then this thing comes to 0. When x is as x approaches 3 from positive side 4 times 3.001 squared therefore 0.001 squared. Okay, then y equals big, and if x approaches 3 from the negative side, y equals negative big.
Yep.
So, and then I'm guessing it just drop off. I feel like this is not the right way that I'm supposed to be doing it, but I guess I'll just do it anyway. Put in 5.
One.
Oh, it approaches 4. That's crazy. Okay, so x approaches infinity, y approaches 4. As x approaches negative infinity, y goes to... Oh, well it should just go to 4 because this is just like everything squared, right? Yeah, y still approaches 4. Which means, if you giraffe it, it should go to 4, and then it should go... And this is the asymptote at x equals 3, and this is 4. Then it'll come out from over there. That's 4. Not negative 4, but 4. And that's that. Y equals 4x squared over x squared minus 9.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
You did that in like 4 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. That's a reasonable time.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, y equals f of x. Why did I write that down? I did not need to write that down. New. Oh, okay, so that's negative 2. X-axis 5. This negative 5. 4. Separate 1/3 page sketches of the graphs of the following. Do they have to be that big? Size of f of x. Alright. That's... That's so ugly. That's negative 5. That's 5. Negative 2 I don't care about. But we know that this is at 2, and this is at 2. And, it does a squiggly line. Wee! Y equals size of f of x. Oh yeah. Part 2. Y equals f of x squared. This one's gonna be totally... excuse me. This one's gonna be totally in the positive y. We know it's gonna top at 16. When it gets to 5, x equals 5, it's also gonna be 0. Um, when it gets to 1, it should... I think it sort of like smooths out. No, surely not. No, that would be the derivative.
Oh, the derivative.
Okay, well, let's just say it does this. Goes to 4. That's 4. Don't know why 16 and 4 are so close. This is 5. That's a negative 5. 3. Y equals 1 over square root of x. Okay. So that'll be 1/4. When it gets to 5, this will be positive infinity. No, negative 5. It'll be at... Well, it'll be positive infinity over here. Quarter down to half. Down, Okay, so it should just look like that. Something.
Okay.
I actually no, this should still work. I did this in the wrong order. I should have done the square root first and then done 1 over, but this should still work. Because the square root of a fraction is um a fraction with a square root inside of it. Whatever
Yeah.
however the heck you say that. And then wait, oh, and the square root of a negative number you can't do, which means
Oh,
um,
sorry. I don't know if you can hear it.
holy moly!
You're doing so well. Don't give up. Keep
I'm not
going.
gonna give up. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get through this. 1 over the square root
Yes.
of x. Square root, you can't square root a negative number. It's real. So f of x is the y height. So yeah, okay. Um. Okay, well that should just be that then.
Perfect.
All right. Whatever. This is y equals 1 over the square root of. Wait, I forgot to. Fuck. I forgot to square root it. Ah. This is 1 on 2. Wait, is that it? Okay, that's it. D. Find the equation of tangent to the curved plane. Yes, this is what I like. This is what I want. 0.2, -1. Fantastic. All I gotta do is find the derivative. Actually, let's make it in terms of. Wait, what? Uh, can I differentiate this? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright, never mind. Maybe this is harder than I thought. It's not harder than I thought. It's just I don't know what I'm doing. 1 cubed equals
Well,
4.
you got up to this point, which is good.
Yeah, I've written the question. Do I have to like factorize it as um x minus y squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. which means that x squared minus xy plus y squared is equal to x minus y squared plus 3xy. So f of x is x minus y squared plus 3xy minus 5 equals 0. I don't think this has helped me.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, well, this is just three functions added together. Now let's make this. Let's change that from x minus y squared because that was a bit. It's not really a thing. X plus y squared though. That is. Wait, no. Wait, yeah, and there's a y cubed here. So.
Yeah.
All of this is wrong. Alright, let's ignore that. But this is just three functions added together. Well, maybe y cubed. My stream cutting out.
I don't know. It has been the whole time, but it has improved.
Okay.
I wouldn't say it's gotten worse.
I really want to do this question because I said that I wanted to do it, but it's embarrassing now because I can't do it.
Fine. If you can't do it, fine.
I'll just say that I'm gonna come back to it.
Okay.
Holy moly! I have not seen this before. Base of a solid is the region in the xy plane enclosed by the curves y equals x to the 4, y equals x to the negative 4, and the line x equals 2. Each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is an equilateral triangle. I see. Further, the area of the triangular cross-section at x equals h is square root of 3 h to the 8. Okay. Well, we know that the area of a triangle is half base times height. We know that the height of an equilateral triangle is, if you say that one of the legs is 1, that would be root 3, and that's 2, so... you know that the height is equal to root 3 times the base. Um, and oh gosh, I'm like really mixing up with these prenumerals. Um, so the area is equal to oh gosh. Okay, let's not use h. Let's use w for width. I mean, no. Oh gosh. All right, let's try this again. The area is equal to um half of wank times wank. And so we know that the wank is equal to root 3 times the wank.
Mm-hmm.
Now, where x equals h, if the width on one side is x to the 4, we know that the whole width is 2 times x to the 4. So we know that the width is equal to h 2 times h to the 4 times 1 half times 3. Wait, why did I write w here? Wait, no. The width is 2h, but oh, okay, and that is 1/3 of the height. I mean the whatever 1/3 to the 8. That's okay. I got it. Find the volume of the solid. Um, that is the integral from 0 to 2 of root 3 h to the 8, which is just root 3 times the integral from 0 to 2 of h to the 8, which is of course root 3 on 9, h to the 9, 0 to 2, which root 3 on 9 is that anything interesting?
Not that I know of.
I'll trust you on that.
I don't know.
So this root 3 on 9 times 2 to the power of 9 minus 0. And oh gosh, 2 to the 9. 512. So
Wow.
is that divisible by 9? No. Okay. So root 3 times 512 all over 9. Units cubed. Cube units. Beautiful. Question 4 out of there were 8 questions, right?
Yep.
Dude, might be going.
Halfway.
The
We
last
did 3 in about 15 minutes.
feel like a personal trainer or something. Alpha beta is gamma zeros of polynomial 3x cubed plus 7x squared plus 11x plus 51. A squared, but wait, is that a thing? Uh, is that what is this? Alpha, beta, gamma times alpha plus beta plus gamma? Is it? Alpha squared, beta. I said squared and I wrote cubed. Plus beta. Wait, no, crap. Yeah. Alpha squared beta. I wrote it. I did it again. Switch these around because I think I'm getting confused. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha beta gamma. Alpha squared. Alpha squared beta gamma plus alpha beta squared gamma plus alpha beta gamma squared. Okay, that's just that times that. Which we know is going to the formula sheet negative b on a times negative d on a, which is bd on a squared, which is 7 times 5 over 9, which is 5 over 9. Yeah. Find a squared plus b squared plus y squared.
Cool.
This is alpha plus beta plus gamma squared is alpha squared plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma. Fucking alpha gamma plus beta squared plus beta alpha gosh, plus beta gamma plus gamma squared plus, wait, I already did gamma alpha, didn't I? Wait, but it would be, right? Yeah, plus gamma alpha plus gamma beta. So that is equal to a squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared plus 2 alpha beta. I mean, yeah, 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha gamma plus 2 gamma beta. So this is a squared plus beta squared plus y gamma squared plus 2 times alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus gamma beta. Let's just say that's a gamma. But I know what I'm doing this time because this is something in the formula sheet. It is C on A.
Oh.
So,
Nice.
alpha squared. I keep writing 3 instead of 2. Was gamma, not gamma. That's a beta. Gosh, this is horrific. Equals alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is also in the formula sheet as negative b on a. So this thing is negative b on a squared minus c on a. And we can just substitute in everything because b is 7, a is 3 squared minus c is 11. Something smells like burnt motor in my house. I don't know what that is. Don't know if I should be concerned or not. It might be my computer just like totally getting destroyed by trying to stream.
Yeah.
7 squared is 49 minus 11 on 3. I'm just going to do this in the calculator because if I do it by hand, I'm certainly going to make a mistake. 16 ninths. No, is that it? Okay. Using part 2 or otherwise, determine how many zeros of p of x are real. Justify your answer. How the heck am I supposed to... What? Well, it's not negative. And, well, it's a cubic, so there can only be... Oh, no, there can be only one complex root. How the heck am I supposed to deduce that from that?
I have no clue.
Hey, maybe them are real. Well,
I'm in a state of shock right now.
pardon me?
I'm in a state of shock right now.
Shock. Why? Cause your lettuce is too delicious.
No, I'm done with the lettuce now. Because you're like almost halfway through. You're doing a speed run, and you're barely at half of the questions. You have to have like all of this memorized for all of your exams that are like 3 weeks, 3 hours long. Terrifying. I
Yeah,
don't know how you do it.
I don't. This is the only subject that I can do. No, English is like
Insane.
English is hard because I hate it, so I don't study very hard for it. I don't know, maths is maths. Uh, physics is hard because not only do you have to know the maths behind the physics, you have to know like the history and like the people's names and all this weird science stuff. Ugh. You know,
Yeah. Yeah.
it is what it is. Eventually, I'm just gonna make robots and take over the world, and I'm on the journey.
Yeah. Of course.
Okay, how many zeros of p of x are real? Well, using part 2. Um, holy moly. What does this tell me about? It's just the sum of the squares of the roots. Like, it's positive, okay. But they could all be real, and then you would get a positive answer. Is it part 1? Is that got anything to... like, add the 2, or like divide... No, I can't divide that. Right. What's that time? An hour and 30 roughly, okay.
Yep.
Uh, holy moly, this is a...
Halfway through.
This is quite the speed run. Well, slow run. Jog. Yeah, I'm only really at jogging pace. The one that I did yesterday, that was a speed run. I was like going near from the
Yeah, that was
Matrix.
good. Mhm.
Gosh, okay, well this is something that I need to remember to study. Figuring out how many zeros are in something despite some of the squares of the roots. But I see some acute angled triangle ABC line a circle. The perpendiculars from A, B, and C meet the AC and AB at de F, respectively. These perpendiculars meet at perpendiculars AD, B, and K are produced to meet the circle at K, L, and M, respectively. Prove that equals decay. God. Holy crap. A H E, which is constrained by ABL, which is all. Holy moly. What? I don't know if I'm even supposed to know how to do this question, but this is intriguing. That's a right angle triangle. That's also a right angle triangle. DCE. Well, DCE is not a right angle triangle, it's just an AHE. They're both part of. Because they're similar. How do you know that they're similar? Oh, because the included E A H A E or hair. The same angle DAE. H angle DAE is the same as HAE. And it's just
Yeah.
I don't know, they're similar except just the right angle is on the other side. Angle DAE is equal to angle HAE. Deduce that AH equals AL. Ah, how? How am I supposed to do that?
Do you know that any of them are congruent at all?
Well, I um well, the only constraints is that they're all in a circle and that some of them are at right angles to each other.
Mm-hmm.
AH equals AL. Gosh,
Oh, President is calling me.
the president's calling you?
Yeah. He wants me to vote for him.
Pardon me?
He wants me to vote for him.
Okay. Are you gonna vote for him?
I don't know, I'm not old enough.
Oh, okay. Be like, sorry, I'm not voting for you. He'll be like, no, why? How could you do this to me? Focusing. AH equals AL. I think this is circular geometry, and I'm just gonna assume that I can skip this. I feel like I should know how to do this as well, but uh, What do you think, Sarah? Should I skip it or should I try to do it?
I would do the classic come back to it.
Okay, I like that idea. I run out of time, I run out of time.
Mhm.
Question 4C. The point P is on the ellipse. Forward through P and focus S. Makes the ellipse of Q, tangents to the ellipse of PQ, make the point T. So the equation of PQ is that. Using the equation of PQ, show that T lies on the. What is this? Do you know what a directrix is?
No.
Okay. I'll just skip that one too, because I don't know what a directrix is, and I don't think I need to know. Yeah,
Want
yeah,
me to ask my dad?
I'm on question 5 already. If you would like to, but I don't really need to know it for my final exam.
Okay. Okay.
A is greater than 0. Find the points on the line y equals ax, and the curve y equals x minus a intersect. Okay. Well, x minus a equals ax. So obviously x squared minus a squared. X squared minus ax equals ax. Wait. What? X squared equals 2ax. Okay, x equals 2a. Points. There are two. Oh. Wait. What? What? X equals 2a, but a is one value. So how? Okay, well, x equals 0 is 1. X equals 2a must be another one then. That is so weird. What the heck?
That's what math is.
Yeah. I'll have to take a look at that later, because that's interesting. Let R be the region in the plane for which x minus a is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to ax, which R. What's A? Gosh. What's slowing down my computer? Is it like Hentai Haven?
Yes, for sure.
Oh my gosh. Firefox is actually taking a lot of CPU, so it probably is. Sorry, Hentai Haven, you're gonna have to go. Okay, that didn't help, like, at all.
That's unfortunate.
X minus A. When you subtract, that's just this, right? When you subtract, yeah, is less than or equal to y. Um. Uh. Okay. Which is AX, which is just that. So that should just be this region. This sure. It's 2A. That's 0. That makes sense. And this is region R. Solid is formed by rotating the region R around the line x equals negative 2A. What, like over here? Use a method of cylindrical shells. I don't know that method.
Do you have to know that method?
Ah, I. Gosh. No, wait, that's not even negative 2, that's negative 2A. Well, there are solids of volumes of revolution, but I do not know if that is. It sounds like the same as a cylindrical shell, because like when you do CAD, like you can create a cylindrical shell, like the operation is called shell, and it's the same thing as a
Yeah.
like making a revolution, you know, like it, but
Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
I haven't done it around like something off of origin. I don't think.
Yeah, I don't know.
The volume of a maybe there's an equation for it like over here. No, there's not. Okay, well let's just try it. The volume of a um crap. Y volume equals pi squared. Is it pi squared times the integral of 3/4? 4/3. Oh gosh, I have no idea.
So close.
Oh, that's well, shucks. Shucks you over. Um, yeah, I can integrate under 2A. Suppose I can integrate under. Oh, where that's equal to 0. Is x minus a. So x. This is a and 2A, so that has to be like. This is actually over there. So it's like
Okay.
the integral. Okay, the area of this, at least, is the integral of 2a dx. No, no, this is not the integral of 2a dx. Gosh, this equation is y equals ax. This equation is y equals x minus a. The area of this is the integral of ax dx minus the integral from 0 to 2a minus the integral from a to 2a of x minus a dx. Now, because a is just a constant, just a, 0 to a, x dx, which is a really easy integral. And then this is x squared minus ax, which is, I'm going to keep that, a to a squared minus ax dx. I'm just going to integrate this. This is equal to a times, actually a on 2 times x squared 0 to a. This is 1/3 x cubed a to 2a plus a on 2 x squared a to 2a. Means the surface area of the region R is a on 2 4a squared minus 1/3 8a cubed minus a cubed plus a on 2 4a squared minus a squared, which we can write as 2a minus 7a cubed on 3 plus 2a, yeah, wait, no, 2a cubed. This is 2a cubed as well. Minus sorry, a cubed on 2.
Oh, you're fine.
Now, because these are all in terms of a cubed, I can just put this in my calculator. 2 minus 7/3 plus 2 minus a half. That's 7/6. So that's 7a cubed on 6. Now, gosh, I should get like at least 1 mark from that. Now, the revolution of that around -2a, that would be, say that's 2a. Say this is looking from the top. It'd be like doing this, and you would multiply this. That's the area of pi r squared but it's actually that area is pi times, and it goes all the way out to 2a, right? 2a squared minus pi. Oh wait, no, because that. Oh yeah, because that should be 4a because it's 2a plus 2a. That's all the way over there. Minus pi 2a squared, which is 16 pi a squared minus 4 pi a squared, which conveniently is 12 pi a squared. Or 12 a squared pi. Um, I think I can just multiply these two together. Times
Okay.
7a cubed over 6. I'm probably wrong, but I think I can just do that. 12 times 7 is 84 a to the 6 pi on 6. 84 on 6 is 14. So that's 14 a to the 6 pi. Make this a little more obvious. Wow. How's my time going?
Uh, you've got about an hour and 15 minutes left.
Okay, I don't know if that's enough time. We'll see. But yeah, how many ways can n students... Oh, god damn it. Placed in two distinct rooms so that neither room is empty. This is the pigeonhole principle! Yes! This is the pigeonhole principle! Guys, finally. How many ways can n students be placed in two distinct rooms so that neither room is empty? Um, infinite. I don't... What? But if you have 100 students, then there's like... Oh yeah, true, because you give an n, so you just figure it out. It's like... There has to be at least one. So one of them, you know.
Yeah.
That there's one in here. You know that you put one in there, you know that you put another one in there. And then the rest of the n minus 2 is you can put in wherever the fuck you want. So that means it's n minus 2 factorial? I think it's n minus 2. Anyway. In how many ways can 5 students be placed in 3 distinct rooms so that no room is empty? I think that's the same. You do put down 3 students, you have 2 left, and that means that you can put them in wise pigeonhole principle and extension 2. Pigeonhole principle is a very important topic.
Well, I figured because there's pigeonhole memes or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What's this? Trees, choose, pick. Wait. P is replacement, C is not caring about replacement. So, no replacement? Wait. Well, 3C2 is just going to be 3. 3P2. 6. Well, there can't be 6 different ways, can there? Be like 1, 2, 3. Oh, maybe there is 6 different ways. 3 times. Wait. 4, 5. Wait, okay. So you could put it there. You could put it there. You could put it there. Oh wait, no. I already did that. Put it there. Yeah, there's only 3. Only 3.
Okay.
Question 5C. A smooth sphere with a center O and radius r is rotating about its vertical diameter at a uniform angular velocity, radians per second. Marble is free to roll around the inside of the sphere. Wow. Consider that the marble can be considered as a point, P, which is acted upon by gravity and a normal reaction force, N, from the sphere. Marble describes a horizontal circle of radius r with the same uniform angular velocity, radians per second. Let the angle between OP and the vertical diameter be theta. Explain why mrw squared equals n sine theta and mg equals n cos theta. Okay. Well, drawing a free body diagram. This going down, mg. Going over here has to be n. This being theta. You know that the total, the actual reaction force, n, has to take up the parts mg, and also the centripetal force, which is, I don't know, usually called Fc in physics. So, mr squared, well, Fc is equal to mv squared on r. V is r times, V equals r times the rotational velocity, which means that Fc is equal to m r w squared. And because theta is on this side and a sine is opposite over a hypotenuse, you know that Fc is also equal to n sine theta. Therefore, mr squared equals n sine theta. Wow, that's not in our course anymore, but at least I know it because of physics. Cool. Okay. Mg in the same way is equal to n cos theta because it's the other side. I think I'm supposed to explain it, but I just explain it in the video, so that's cool. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna make my exam markers watch my live streams.
Yeah.
Show that either cos theta equals g on q squared or theta equals 0. Oh, I see. That's cute.
We're at about an hour left. Just so you know.
Okay. Well, I'm about to finish question 5, so that's good. Or at least as good as I can make it realistically. Cos theta, that's Jason over hypotenuse, mg on n. Okay. So cos theta equals mg on n. We know that n is equal to the square root of mrw squared plus mg. That squared plus mg squared,
Right.
which is m squared r squared to the 4 plus m squared g squared, the square root of all that. Okay, what do I do now? G on Jason over hypotenuse, yeah. What? Wait, what's R again? It's big R. Radius. Oh, that's radius of the whole thing. Ah.
Wait, this
Sorry?
yeah, you're right, you're right.
Okay, let's look at this from the size of the question 8. Usually question 8 is super difficult. They write the extension to exam so that no student in the entire state will be able to actually finish every single question. So yeah, they make it very hard just to
Yikes.
weed out the boys from the Cowboys.
Wow, yeah.
That's but that's not really relevant because this is n sine theta. That's not mg really because this is a distance. M cos theta is mg. I guess it's r cos theta. mg If mg equals n cos theta, then r cos theta is equal to r mg over n, which means that cos theta is equal to mg over n. Okay. um, now what's n? Oh, n was that.
the normal reaction force.
Yes. Except for Benjamin Yan. Give me your secrets. What does cos theta equals g on r w squared even mean? That's saying that the ratio between this side and this side is that this is g, this is rho squared.
Right.
I don't know what I'm saying.
You know, I think it means whatever you want it to mean.
It means that sunshine and ponies are kawaii.com dot Tuvalu.
Yes. Exactly.
Let's get back to this question later.
Okay.
Answer otherwise show that if theta is not equal to 0, then U has to be greater than G on R.
Yeah.
I have no ideas for that one. Question 6. Show that the integral from 0 to pi of sine x over 1 plus cos squared x dx equal to pi on 2. Okay. The derivative of let's say u is equal to negative cos x. We know that the derivative of negative cos x is sine x. And we know that du dx is, of course, yeah, sine x. Because that's the same thing. So we can replace dx with 1 over sine x du. And oh gosh, now the integral becomes, oh wait, when x equals 0, u equals 0, x equals, oh wait, no, yeah, x equals pi, then u equals, oh, still 0. Wait, that's, oh wait, no, u is negative cos, gosh. X equals 0, when x equals 0, negative cos of 0 is negative 1. When x equals pi, negative cos of pi is, let me just make sure this negative cos of pi radians. That's, yeah, what? 1. Means the integral is from -1 to 1 of 1 over 1 plus u squared du. Right? So obviously
Right.
that is arctan of 1 plus u squared. I think.
Probably.
Yeah, it is. And we just substitute in from 1, 1. So we do arctan of 2 minus the arctan of 2. Fuck. Whoopsie.
Uh,
Did I do this right?
I don't know. You gave us the impression that you did.
I was so confident, but then I just got tan 2 minus tan 2, which is not pi. Or is not pi on 2. What the heck? The hecko? That is right? Sine x, because dx is equal to 1 over sine x, so that cancels out. It's just 1 over, and like use negative cos squared x, so cos squared of negative cos x squared is just cos squared x. 1 plus u squared du, and I did these properly. 1, negative 1. Arctan of, did I do the integration wrong? 1 over a, but a is just 1 because and like that's the derivative plus that squared dx, and that's over just 1, and I negative cos of 0 is just negative 1. I what? Ow.
I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
No, you're not,
I
dude.
did I did do I
No.
did do the integration wrong. It's just the arctan of u, not 1 plus u.
I mean, that doesn't make you stupid.
Anyway, the arctan of 1 is just pi on 4. The arctan of -1 is negative pi on 4, so that's pi on 2. Cool. Making the
Cool.
substitution x equals pi minus u, find the integral from 0 to pi of, oh gosh, my voice is starting to hurt a little bit. 1 plus cos squared x dx. Yeah, this is a similar question. U equals pi minus x. Du dx is just -1, which tells us that dx is negative du. Um, I when x is equal to 0, u is equal to pi. When x is equal to pi, u is equal to 0. which means the thing just gets flipped around, which means this negative can just be ignored.
Right.
So you go from 0 to pi. Oh gosh. Pi minus u sine pi minus u over 1. Yeah. Cos squared pi minus u du. What? Okay. Alright, let's try some identities. Sine of pi minus u. Okay, let's just say u is that. Pi minus u. That's that. So sine pi minus u is just sine u, I think. Sine pi minus, I don't know, let's say 5. That should give us. Wait, oh, and we can just subtract from sine 5. Yeah, sine pi minus u is equal to just sine u. Cos squared, not of x, but of pi minus u. Cosine, that's just negative 1 minus cos squared u. And okay, now how do I integrate this? Why? Why? Do I have to do integration by parts? Because that sort of follows on from that, because that's the same as. Oh, wait, but the sign's the opposite way. Let me just try this with cosine. Just double checking my identities. Yeah. Cosine pi minus u is equal to negative cosine of u. It's squared. It's squared, is it the same? No, it's not. Okay, so, well, what the flip? What the flip am I doing?
I'm lost.
Okay, let me just write this properly. From 0 to pi minus u, sine u over 1 plus cos squared pi minus u. I really want to use this thing from here, but actually, I probably can.
Substitution?
I probably can. I probably didn't have to turn. I didn't have to do that weird thing with the sine to turn it into sine u. I can probably just, because now that is the same as what we just did before, but there's a times pi minus u, just like flopping out the back, which means this integral equal to pi minus u times what we know here And is, wait, what we know here is pi on 2. Oh, well, we don't know that's pi on 2, but it's sine pi minus u on 1 plus cos squared pi minus u du. We can do integration by parts. We know the integral of this already, so we can just say the integral of this is arctan of pi minus u, and if the left side is u, is the u's is being used in different ways. It's confusing. -1. So, oh gosh, I have to turn the page. No, I'll just use the space that I already have. UV, which is arctan pi minus u times pi minus u. That looks weird. Minus the, I already ran out of space. Minus the integral of m plus the integral of arctan of pi minus u. Oh, this might be shaping up to be something. Might be shaping up to be something.
Cool.
Although I don't understand why I had to substitute x for pi minus u, because I could have just done this in the first place without the pi minus u. Why am I? This is so weird. Okay. Speedrunning. Let's do this.
Yes. Yes.
Arctan pi minus u times pi minus u. What are the limits? 0 to pi plus integral arctan from 0 to pi minus u du, which we know is pi minus pi, that's 0. And arctan of pi is the arctan of pi is also 0 times pi. So that's, are you serious? Oh gosh. Okay. It's just equal to wait, okay, so is there an integral for arctan? Or do I have to do integration by parts to do the integral of arctan? Ayah.
Do I ever know? No, I never know.
I know the integral of, no, the derivative of arctan. I know the derivative of arctan. Alright, let's do integration by parts again, because why the heck not? Integral from 0 to pi of arctan of pi minus u du, where u is equal to arctan pi minus u, which doesn't make sense, but just ignore that. B equals 1, I mean b prime, b equals x, u prime is equal to -1 over 1 plus pi minus u squared, which means this integral is equal to x arctan pi minus u from 0 to pi minus the integral holy shit of x times negative 1 over 1 plus pi minus u squared du. Wait, x? Where did the x come from? No, u. That's u. That's you. Now, oh my god.
What even is this?
Okay, I've spent way too long on that 3-mark question, so I'm just gonna come back to that. A loss is a loss.
You have a little more than 30 minutes left.
Holy crap, that's not enough time. Okay, speedrun time. X double dot equals G minus KV. Okay, okay. Terminal velocity of particles b meters per second, so that K equals G on V. Acceleration equals 0, so G minus KV equals 0. G equals KV. K equals G on V, and because terminal velocity terminal equals B, then K equals G on B. I verify that V satisfies the equation d to t V kt equals gect.
Oh man.
Okay, the derivative of vect that is just equal to kverketa where because k equals g on v, that means that just e to the kt. That's not right. What the hell have I done? Oh wait, no, yeah, it is just g e to kt. That's right. Oh, I'm powering through this. Hence, to show the velocity of the particle is given by v equals v. Okay. Wait, what do you mean by hence? What? Excuse me? Okay. Well, v. Oh dear. Did it start at 0? Initial velocity of a. Okay. 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 We're looking for velocity. Okay. Well, we can do this because we know that. V to V to T? To V to T? That we want? Okay, well, let's just try it. V to T equals G minus KV. Which means that the T equals 1 on G minus KV to V. So T is equal to this integral. Means that's V1 negative 1 minus K ln G minus KB. Right? Right. equal to 0, B is equal to A. So 0 equals negative 1 on K, ln G minus KA plus C. So C is just equal to 1 on K ln G minus KA. Means that, of course, T is equal to 1 on K ln G minus KA minus ln G minus KB. We know that when T goes to infinity, except I can't really substitute in infinity, can I? Okay, so now how do I get to, what do I want to get to? B equals all that rubbish. No, I don't think that's helped. What are variables we want? We want, how do we get, we want yo, Skateboard Julian, Genius Boy.
Julian's probably still doing his English.
I can get some intense music to set the mood.
Yes.
But, you know, that could, actually running Spotify might tank my computer. I'll just get, I'll get Rhythmbot to touch up. Let's play a good classic, fight for what's right, McDonald.
No, don't.
Was a multi-millionaire at 22. In real estate, I knew what to do. From Two Blue West and all the rest, Shepherd Center at North Young Street, seeing 5 towers rise was a big feat. $1 million condo in Key Biscayne, $7 million mansion in Rosedale, plus a multi-million-dollar pad on Sunny Dean and Bayview. Head offices on the 47th floor at CIBC Tower and Bay Street. Opened ahead of her time shop with best friend Dale. Opened Grant Danielle Limited at Bay and Blue in Toronto. Put a $4 billion oil merger together in Wall Street. Structured a resort in Prince Edward Island for my mom and dad. Helped name Holland College from St. Dunstan's on Prince Edward Island. My dad fought from Normandy to Berlin through Leopold Canal in Holland. Mom brought up 9 kids and still looks absolutely beautiful to this very day. I'm so proud to have what I have with the greatest guy alive and also to be gay. Being gay is as natural as being left-handed or being black. A greater fight to fight. A greater fight to fight. To fight, to fight, to fight. And fight and fight.
Alright.
For what's right Was a multi-millionaire at 22. In real estate, I knew what to do. From Two Blue West and all the rest, Shepherd Center at North Young Street, seeing 5 towers rise was a big feat. $1 million condo in Key Biscayne, $7 million mansion in Rosedale, plus a multi-million-dollar pad on Sunny Dean and Bayview. Head offices on the 47th floor at CIBC Tower and Bay Street. Opened ahead of her time shop with best friend Dale. Opened Grant Danielle Limited at Bay and Bloor in Toronto. Put a $4 billion oil merger together on Wall Street. Structured a resort in Prince Edward Island for my mom and dad. Helped name Holland College from St. Dunstan's on Prince Edward Island. My dad fought from Normandy to Berlin through Leopold Canal in Holland. Mom brought up 9 kids and still looks absolutely beautiful to this very day.
Sucks.
I'm so proud to have what I have with the greatest guy alive and also to be gay. Being gay is as natural as being left-handed or being black. A greater fight to fight. A greater fight to fight. To fight, to fight, to fight. And fight and fight. For what's right.
So country.
You love it.
Yep.
Wow, this is quite the question. It's only 2 marks. Alright. Gosh.
We have like 24 minutes left, I think.
Okay. Still have questions 7 and 8 to do. Alright. I might have to keep speedrunning. I did well for about 2 minutes. I don't know, on question 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. At the same time as the particle is released from O, an identical particle is released from point P, which is h meters below O. The second particle has an initial velocity of a meters per second divided by the upload. Placement below O is given by x equals h plus bt minus b on g b plus a 1 minus e to the negative gt on b. Suppose that the particle is made after t seconds. Show that t equals that. Okay. Well, you just have to show that bt minus b over g b minus a 1 minus e negative e on b 2h plus bt minus b on g b plus a 1 minus c the negative gt on b. What are we looking for? T equals b on g log that. Well, holy crap.
What?
Okay, let's just take out some terms that we don't really need to worry about. We can get rid of these. We can just make it 1 minus e to the negative gt on b equals h plus and, well, to be honest, you can cut these out too. So b minus a is equal to h plus b plus a.
Okay.
But how do you get to, what the flip? I what? Oh, I guess. Oh, what the? Oh, oh. I believe A can be varied. What condition must A satisfy so that the two particles can meet? Hurry up. A equals negative h on 2.
You can do it. You can do it.
Question 7. We got like 20 minutes, okay. Let A be a positive real number. Show that A plus 1 on A is greater than or equal to 2. Oh, I had a question in the trial exam that I did yesterday that was just like x plus 1 on x is greater than or equal to 2. Don't prove it. It just is.
Ooh.
Well, I know that this is true, but I don't know how to prove it.
Okay.
Okay, well, let's say that a squared plus no, a squared minus 2a plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Because you just move that over and then multiply everything by a. Then you can figure out the minimum value of this if you take the derivative, which is 2a minus 2. Which means that 2a equals 1. So the minimum value is a equals to 1. So if you do 1 plus 1 over 1, that's equal to 2. Which means the minimum value that a plus a to the inverse of a is 2. Therefore, a plus the inverse of a has to be equal to or greater than 2. I did it. Oh, I'm so proud of myself.
Yay!
Let n be a positive integer. Oh, here we go. This is gonna be hard. Let n be a positive integer, and a1, a2, etc. be n positive real numbers. Prove by induction that a1 plus a2 plus blah 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 plus an times 1 over a1 plus 1 over a2 plus blah 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 plus 1 over a to the n, a of n, an is equal to n squared. Okay, well this was a question in my trial yesterday too, and this is just harder. The same question, just more difficult. Well, if you expand them all out, I don't really know how to prove this, but you get n times 2 plus it's n times 2 because you get the inverses plus, like, a1 times 1 over a1 is just 1, and a1 over a2, but then you also get a2 over a1, so like those two are inverses. So that's, and we know from last time it's something plus the inverse of itself is greater than or equal to 2. So we know that its minimum, at minimum, it's n times 2. It'd be the number of these things times 2, because there's bit.
Okay.
Wait. No, it's n times 2, but it's over 2 because you have to halve them because there's only so many pairs. So it's just n plus n times something. Wait, no, that wouldn't make sense because that could not be greater than n squared. Oh wait, I don't have to freaking do this. Holy crap. Proof by induction. Duh. Show true for n equals 1. A1, A that yeah, greater than or equal to 1 squared. And we know that this is 2, which is greater than or equal to 1 squared. Assume true for n equals k. Show for n equals k plus 1. So we are required to prove that a1 plus a2 plus blah 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 plus a plus 1 times 1 over a1 plus a2 plus blah 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 plus 1 over a to the n plus 1 over a to the n plus 1 greater than or equal to n, oh no, this is supposed to be k. K plus 1 all squared. Now, this is crap.
Okay, I think you have like 10 minutes left.
Okay, this is not much of a speedrun, is it? It's sad. It's okay, it's okay. There's lots of A1s. There's also A1s and A2, plus A2 on A1s. Oh, of course. Blah 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 blah. Which means that this is n plus 2n. Of course. Although I probably should have proved that for that. N plus 2n, 3 equals 1, 1 plus 2, that's 3, so that's not 2. So that's not... Oh. Okay. Let's go move on to something else.
The next one. Okay.
Question 7b. Alpha be a real number. Suppose that z is a complex number such that z is equal to z plus 1 on z is equal to 2 cos alpha. Reducing the above equation to a quadratic equation in z, solve for z and use de Moivre's theorem to show that z to the n plus 1 on z to the n equals 2 cos n alpha. Okay. Well, z squared plus 1 plus 2 z cos alpha. Do I have to? Why do I have to do this? I know that z to the n is equal to oh wait. Oh, I should figure out what z is. Yeah, okay. Z squared minus 2z cos alpha plus 1 equals 0. So to figure out what z is, so I have to use a quadratic equation? Weird. Equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Hello. Means that's 2z cos... Wait, oh, 2 cos alpha plus or minus the square root of 4 cos squared alpha minus 4 times 1 times 1, that's just 4, over 2a, 2, so that's cos alpha plus or minus the square root of 4 cos squared alpha minus 4. I don't think I can simplify. Okay. Well, z to the n would then be cos to the n, or rather cos n alpha plus or minus, no, that wouldn't be right. That's not, no, no, no. No.
Uh,
Wait a second. Conjugate. Is the inverse a complex number? No, it's conjugate, is it? No, it's not its conjugate. The argument goes to the other side, but its radius is inverse. So the I have no idea. I'm sure if I kept going at that, I could figure it out eventually, but I'm okay. W equals z plus 1 on z. Prove that w cubed plus. Okay. Well, z plus 1 on z cubed plus z plus 1 on z squared minus 2 times z plus 1 on z plus, minus 2. That is equal to z cubed plus 3. Yep. Plus 1 on z cubed plus z squared. Wait, no. Wait. Anyone else fucked for maths? Yeah, I probably am. How about you, Sarah?
yeah, I'm gonna have math pretty rough.
Holy moly.
Yeah, for my exam, I have it right here. I have 45 minutes for 31 questions, and then I have another math exam. It's like, hold on a second. 25 minutes for 17 questions.
25 minutes for 17 questions.
Yeah.
That's pretty quick. Are they difficult questions too?
They start off kind of easy, and then they progressively get more challenging.
Well, that's it feels like what I've been doing right now. I felt so powerful for the first like 20 minutes, and now I'm, oh gosh.
Yeah.
Mark's here. Hi, Mark. Let me try this again. Z cubed plus 3z squared, except it's 1 on z, so it's just 3z plus 1 on z plus 1 on z cubed. Yeah, that looks right. Z squared plus 2 plus 1 on Z squared minus 2Z minus 2 on Z. Oh yeah, minus 2. What are we looking for? This, okay. Let's see, Z plus 1 on Z. We've got one of those. We have a we have a negative 2 Z minus 1 on Z. Oh, because it's, yeah, we can do that. Z squared plus 1 on Z squared plus Z squared plus 1 on Z squared. Oh, and I should probably. It's 2 on Z, it's 2Z's been taken out. Z squared, 1 on Z squared's been taken out. Z cubed. Z.
Are we at time?
My timer's still got 2 minutes on it, but I think I started it pretty late, so
Oh, okay.
I think we are at time. Which is good because I kind of just want to go
Yeah.
like eat lunch. I'm so tired. This is a pretty painful kind of speed run. You guys seen that?
You'll be fine.
Have you guys seen that dude who speedruns Portal with 0 portals? He has to do everything so precisely, so he's like jumping against a fence like 20 times trying to get the perfect angle to jump on the fence so that he like magically gets like flown up into the air just by touching the fence and
Nice.
yeah, like the most random shit.
I still have like, I still have like an hour and a half left of math homework to do.
Hey, I just did maths for 3 hours, man.
You know what? I did maths for like 3 hours before we called. Actually,
Really?
4 hours. It was 4 hours.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Okay, well you deserve a 3-hour break. That did not feel like 3 hours. Did that feel like 3 hours to you?
No, it didn't.
I feel like
No.
I've been here for like 20 minutes. This is how like Korone-chan feels like. There's this VTuber, you know about VTubers?
No.
Okay, so well James loves them. It's like these Japanese girls that go on like YouTube live streams and they have like an anime character that sort of tracks their face. So like when they move around, the anime character moves around, and they just like play video games
Yeah.
and stuff. They're like
Okay.
like idols, idol groups, you know, like
Okay.
K-pop, and except like they do live streams, all in Japanese. There's this one called Korone that James likes. She the other day she did a 10-hour stream. She streamed Assassin's Creed Syndicate for 10 hours straight.
Wow. That's crazy.
Like, that's
Did James watch it
in its
all
entirety.
10 hours?
Probably.
Just gave up studying.
Yeah, like he doesn't go on the group chat
I-
very often, but last time he did, he just like was speaking exclusively Japanese.
Nice.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too. Yo, the most people we've had on at the same time is 6. That's sick.
Nice. Oh, did Mark leave? Wasn't Mark on?
Don't know. Yo, check out this meme that Mark said was cringy. I was there several decades ago. I was there when the strength of men failed. Cast it into the fire. Destroy it. No. Oh, yeah. I don't get it, but if Mark cringed at it, then it must be really bad.
Nice.
Does anyone have any like homework questions that I can help with? Because I'm happy to do that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go and.
I don't think I have any. I'm just dreading it for the most part.
Okay. Anyone in chat? Matt, Mark, give me your maths questions.
Did Mark put something in the chat?
He said he's fucked on maths, but only maths.
Oh,
Mark,
that's weird because I can't see the chat then.
Mark, let's be study buddies. I will help you, and then you can help me with English, because I know you keep telling me that I'm better at English than you, but I need you to help me with English.
Okay, so I'm just gonna run through this.
Okay.
I have 7A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, C, D, 1, 2, E, F, G. 9 is just like a long question. I don't even know. And then number 11, which has A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E, F, G, H. Get excited.
That's your homework?
Part of it, yeah. I finished the other part already. But...
Yeah. That's a lot of homework. Is that like the whole week homework? Is that like homework for the whole week?